Hello everyone, I'm Aya. I'm from the United States. I'm a PhD graduate of Renmin University, and I'm looking for some new job opportunities in Beijing. Some of my Chinese friends have recommended a few apps and websites, so let's check them out. So this app is called eBeijing, which also stands for EC Beijing. And then when you get to the front page, you have to look for work and startup. And here, you can find the job fair for global talents. You know, a lot of people in China are using apps to find jobs now. And there are a lot of apps for it as well. You can even find some in your preferred language. And it's not just apps either. Some of my friends have recommended a few websites, such as the International Web Portal of Beijing. Let's check it out. Then you swipe down, and you could look for working. Then you can click on working. And down here, you'll find some information about visa, work permit, residence permit, and tax. And the second website that was recommended to me was the Beijing Overseas Talent Center, where you'll find a lot of details about working in Beijing. And the last website is China Job. And you see a lot of companies are looking for some foreign workers to come and work for them. And I already have an electronic CV. So I'm going to go here and add my resume. But of course, first you have to log in.
1 week later.
Hello? Yeah, this is Aya. Yeah, I'm in Beijing. Oh, the interview. Yeah, tomorrow at 3 is fine. Wait, what's the address again? Yeah, okay. Thank you. And thanks for getting back to me. Yeah, okay, thanks. See you tomorrow. Wow, so I just got a job interview, and I don't know how it's gonna go, but I hope it's gonna be great. Can you wish me luck?
The next day.
So I'm at the company right now, and I'm gonna go do my job interview. I'm feeling a little nervous, but I hope it goes well. Hello. This is my CV.
Okay.
My name is Aya. I'm from America.
The following day.
So I'm at another company for a second interview. If I could be honest, I didn't feel like yesterday's interview was that good. So hopefully this one would be better. Okay, let's go. Oh, hello. My name is Aya. I'm from America, and I graduated with a PhD from Renmin University. My major was international communications.
Later.
Well, I just finished my interview, and everyone here is really professional, but I think I did okay. I'm just going to wait for them to call me back, and hopefully I can get this job.
The next day.
Hello? Yeah, this is Aya. Oh, I got the job? Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I'll bring my documents. Okay, thank you. So I just got a call from my HR, and if you want to get a work permit in China or in Beijing, first you need to provide them with a CV that has all your personal information on it. And then you need to bring them your highest diploma and proof of your previous work, a photocopy of your visa and your passport's front page, as well as the passport itself, and a foreigner's physical examination, but you need to remember that it's only valid for 6 months. So after 6 months, you need to go and do it again. And lastly, you need the proof of a non-criminal record. But if you've been in Beijing for over 180 days, then you can just apply for one normally. But if the time that you spent here is shorter than that, then you need to get one from your own country, but you have to get it translated first. And of course, two 2-inch pictures with a white background. Here you go.
Hello.
These are all the documents that you asked me for.
Okay, that's fine. And I will apply for the work permit for you. And now in Beijing, foreigners can apply for one-stop application service for the work permit and resident permit. And I will apply for you now.
Okay, thank you. So with the help of my company, I managed to get my working permit and my residence permit. Foreigners in Beijing can apply at the one-stop application service to get those two documents. You just have to submit all of your documents at the service counter, wait for 5 working days, and eventually you're going to get them. And now that I finally got the 2 documents, I can begin working here. As you can see, it's fairly easy and it's quite convenient. And this is my work permit and my residence permit.
Okay. This is the contract. You can check your personal information and send your name in the last page. Okay. Welcome to our company.
Oh, thank you so much. So I'm in my new office right now and I'm pretty excited. It's just thinking about the entire experience from the moment that I found this job online to doing the interview and eventually getting my work permit. I just felt like it was very rewarding. And surprisingly, it was simple as well. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be. And I feel really fortunate to have the opportunity to work here in Beijing. And I'm quite excited to start. So, okay, I'm gonna go off to my day of work now.